Trusting each other and communicating at a very high level, not only together, but with the customer, is very important to who we are at Ayers, and then what makes us successful.
One big step forward. Giant. Do I put it up? Yep, up forward. Really big, come on. That's it. Yeah, buddy. Hey, that was perfect.
We see a world where the contractor does it right the first time, using the most high quality materials, and trains their employees to deliver the best customer experience, and offers a permanent solution that they stand behind.
Stop. The hug to your left. Nah, just kidding. Just kidding.
We believe the bar for exceptional customer experience can be set so high that mediocrity in the contracting world is simply no longer accepted or tolerated. You're done.
Thank you.
Give it up to all of you.
Forward. Stop. Big step again. That's perfect. Perfect. Good job,